As a seasoned project management professional, I've seen my fair share of tools designed to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately drive success. One platform that consistently pops up in discussions is Wrike. Known for its robust project planning, task management, and team collaboration features, Wrike is undoubtedly a powerful ally for project teams. However, a question I often encounter is, can Wrike effectively function as a customer relationship management (CRM) system? While Wrike shines brightly in the realm of project management, directly comparing it to a dedicated CRM like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho CRM requires a nuanced understanding of both types of systems. Let's delve into the core functionalities of each and explore where Wrike's capabilities might overlap and where they distinctly diverge. Understanding the core of CRM. At its heart, a CRM system is designed to manage and nurture a company's interactions and relationships with current and potential customers. Its primary objectives revolve around centralized customer data. A CRM acts as a single repository for all customer information, including contact details, communication history, purchase records, and interactions across various touchpoints. Sales process management. CRMs provide tools to track leads, manage opportunities, automate sales workflows, and forecast sales performance. Marketing automation. Many CRMs offer features to manage marketing campaigns, segment audiences, and track marketing effectiveness. Customer service and support. CRMs often include functionalities for managing customer inquiries, tracking support tickets, and ensuring timely resolution of issues. Relationship building. Ultimately, a CRM aims to foster strong, long-lasting relationships with customers, leading to increased satisfaction, loyalty, and revenue. Wrike, a project management powerhouse. Wrike, on the other hand, is built from the ground up as a comprehensive project management platform. The strengths lie in task management and organization. Wrike excels at breaking down projects into manageable tasks, assigning responsibilities, setting deadlines, and tracking progress. Collaboration and communication. The platform facilitates seamless team communication through shared workspaces, real-time updates, and integrated discussion features. Project planning and scheduling. Wrike offers robust tools for creating project timelines, managing dependencies, allocating resources, and visualizing progress through Gantt charts and other visual aids. Workflow automation. Users can automate repetitive tasks and processes within projects, improving efficiency and reducing manual effort. Reporting and analytics. Wrike provides insightful reports on project performance, resource utilization, and team productivity, where Wrike can touch upon CRM functionality. While not a dedicated CRM, Wrike possesses certain features that can be leveraged to manage customer-related activities, particularly within the context of projects delivered to clients. Contact management. Wrike allows you to create and manage contacts associated with specific projects or tasks. You can store basic information and track their involvement. Communication tracking. All communication within a project, including emails and discussions, is logged within Wrike, providing a history of interactions with client stakeholders. Task and project tracking related to clients. You can effectively manage and track all tasks and project milestones directly related to delivering services or products to a specific client. Collaboration with external stakeholders. Wrike's external collaborator feature allows you to invite clients into specific project workspaces, enabling transparent communication and feedback. Customization and integrations. Wrike's custom fields and integration capabilities allow you to tailor the platform to capture some client-specific data and connect it with other tools you might be using. The limitations of using Wrike as a primary CRM. Despite these overlapping functionalities, relying solely on Wrike as your primary CRM presents significant limitations. Lack of dedicated sales pipeline management. Wrike doesn't offer the dedicated lead tracking, opportunity management, and sales forecasting features crucial for a sales team. Limited marketing automation capabilities. Wrike lacks the tools for managing marketing campaigns, email marketing, lead nurturing, and audience segmentation that are standard in most CRM systems. Absence of comprehensive customer service features. Wrike isn't designed for managing customer support tickets, knowledge bases, or service-level agreements, SLAs, in the way a dedicated CRM is. Focus on project delivery, not holistic customer relationship. Wrike's core focus remains on the execution of projects. It doesn't provide the 360-degree view of the customer journey that a CRM offers, encompassing pre-sales, sales, and post-sales interactions. Scalability challenges for sales and marketing teams. As your sales and marketing efforts grow, Wrike's project-centric structure may become cumbersome for managing a large volume of leads and customer interactions. The verdict: Wrike is a powerful tool, but not a direct CRM replacement. In conclusion, while Wrike offers valuable features for managing client-related projects and communication, it is not a direct substitute for a dedicated CRM system. Its strengths lie firmly within the domain of project management. Think of it this way: Wrike is an excellent workshop for building and delivering a product to a customer. It helps you manage the blueprints, the team, and the construction process. However, a CRM is the entire storefront and customer service center, managing initial inquiries, sales transactions, ongoing support, and building lasting customer relationships. Who might find Wrike sufficient for basic customer interaction management? Certain scenarios might allow a business to manage basic customer interactions within Wrike, particularly small businesses or freelancers. With a limited client base and project-focused operations, the project management features might suffice for tracking basic client communication and project delivery. Teams where client interaction is primarily project-based. Agencies or service providers whose main interaction with clients revolves around specific projects might find Wrike adequate for managing these interactions.